Hey, this is Major, and I'm just here to talk to you guys about that Bugout upfit that I'm doing on my old 2004 Dodge Dually with a Cummins diesel in it. So I was adding a 70-gallon fuel tank so that I'd have additional capacity. That plus the factory capacity puts me well over 100 gallons of diesel fuel capacity. And the reason why I'm doing that is because you guys know we're in a lot of uncertain times. You don't know what's going to really happen next. So I wanted to make sure I had plenty of fuel capacity for this vehicle in case we had to go a week or two without being able to get fuel. Let's say I've got plenty of fuel to keep things moving. In case I'm traveling, pulling my RV, I don't have to necessarily stop at every other exit to get fuel. And having extra fuel capacity, you can actually capitalize off of the cheaper fuel prices that you might find in one state versus another state. So that difference could be 20, 30, 40 cents per gallon difference. That's a big deal when you're traveling hundreds and hundreds of miles at a time. So that's the reason why we're doing the upfit on the fuel. That way we've got plenty. My money now might not be the same money tomorrow. The dollar could be worth 20 cents tomorrow. So I'm able to stock up on fuel now while my money does what it does. And that gets me a little further down the road than previous. So when it's all finished, I'll add another little video clip just showing you the finished product, and I'll do some follow-up videos, maybe just telling you guys how long my fuel is lasting in my truck and how far I can go on that 70 gallons plus the full, I think it's a 40-gallon factory fuel cell. So those two combined, how long will that take me? Does it last me 1 week without fueling, 2 weeks, so on and so forth? I'll do a follow-up video to show you guys that, but I just thought I'd put that out there, let you guys know there are things you can do right now to increase your mobility and increase usability of your vehicle. All right, so this is Major. So if you guys ever need any work done with radiators or fuel tanks or install stuff like that, come see my guys over here at Sims Radiator. Here's their name, here's their address and phone number. Like I said, they did a great job. They had me in and out, couple 2 or 3 hours. I'm gonna get on the road. This is me filling it up. We're filling it up with diesel. Diesel's like, let's see, it's $2.59 a gallon. But we got 70 gallons to fill up. So yeah, that's costing a little change, right? But where are we at right now? $83. I just put 53 in the main tank, in the factory tank. So part of that total is the 53 that I filled up with my main tank first. Now I'm filling up the actual 70-gallon tank. So we're gonna see exactly how much goes in this bad boy. Not how many gallons, but how much money does it cost at that price to fill up. So I don't know why, but I guess there's a $100 limit on here. So I'm gonna have to restart the pump and then get some more. Let's see how much it takes. I ended up only putting $120 in the tank that day, but man, my tank is still full a week later. So it'll probably hold another 60, 70 bucks in fuel.